12. Writing a program on BlueJ. In this section, we will learn how we can type and run our program in BlueJ. To write a program in BlueJ, we have to follow these steps. First, we will open BlueJ. And then we will click on new project, and then new project, and then we will provide a name for our project. For example, the name project 5, and then we will click on OK. So now in the new project window, this is a new project window, we'll click on new class. Okay, we should consider first the name we are giving here should also be the name in our coding. So I am giving the class name as hello world. Okay, now we will click OK. Here we can see that this class icon is shaded. It means that the code is not yet compiled. If the code gets compiled, then this shade will just vanish. Okay, now we will double click on the added class icon. The editor window will open. Here first we will delete all comments. Everything inside these two quotes are called comments. So we will delete all the comments, and everything we will delete everything. Here you can see that we have given the class name hello world. Read it here, public class hello world, public class, and then the name of the class. This bracket is open, and then we have closed this bracket. Okay, now the code window will look like this. Now within the curly braces, we will firstly write these things: void my method. My method is a function, that is why it will be written with two brackets, one bracket open and one bracket closed. Now my method will also have two curly brackets. Our whole program will be written under these two curly brackets, within which we will write our code. Here my method is an identifier and a function. This is a function, and that is where it is written under two brackets. A function is usually written in the form Java data type void, any other data type, and then the name of the function, and then Java statements like this. We write Java statements here. Now compiling and executing program. Compiling checks for error. Here you can see compile, and if error free, then it converts the program code into machine code. Executing a program runs this machine code created by the compiler. How to compile the source code in BlueJ? To compile this skeleton code, we have two options. Either we can right click here and then use compile. If you will click compile, then you can see these strips on the class icon will just vanish. Now when it is compiled, it will just save the code. The code is automatically saved on the disk. We don't have to save the code. If we have opened our source code in editor window, this is the editor window. So we can compile our class by directly clicking at the compile button. Okay, here class compiled, no syntax error. Okay, now how to create objects in BlueJ? If we want to execute our program in BlueJ, execution in BlueJ is usually done by creating an object first and then invoking any object's method. To create object of a class, firstly we will compile the class and then we will follow these steps. We will right click on the class and then from the shortcut menu we will select new and the class name, new hello world. Okay, we will click here. Hello world, name of instance hello world 1. Now create object dialog box will appear, this one. Here we have to specify the name for new object and then we will click OK. Once we have clicked OK in create object dialog, BlueJ will create an object with that name hello world and it is shown on the object bench. This is the object bench and now we have executing an object's method means executing the program. How we can execute the program? Suppose we want to run our method, means suppose we want to run our program that has two methods. For example, we have given two methods in this program. First, public class hello world, for example our first method is say hello. Public void, second one is display. Hi Blue Jay is very easy to work with. This bracket we have opened, this bracket closed. This bracket we have opened, this bracket closed, this bracket is all opened. Okay, now we will compile this class. Compiled, class compiled, no syntax errors. Now we'll compile this class and we have created its object. Now to execute the method display, we have two methods here, say hello and display. Void method we have two, say hello and display. Suppose we want to execute the method display. Okay, BlueJ will we will select display, void display. BlueJ asks for input if the inputs are required, otherwise it will just simply execute the function and display its result in the terminal window. This is the terminal window. Hi, BlueJ is very easy to work with.